Hello, welcome. This is Carnival Nails, everybody. Hello to all the nail technicians around the world. Hello, everybody. So I am actually doing a honest review on the iGel Beauty Model XS nail drill. So this is the iGel Beauty Model XS drill, and this is actually how it came. I'm not sure what these marks are inside the box. I actually had gotten it about 15 minutes ago. And here's the drill. It's a really pretty color. It's very sturdy. It's very, the case is very well made. This is the speed mechanism. As you can see, it has the on-off switch, maximum speed, forward, reverse. And this is the connection adapter for the motor. Here's the hand drill. The hand drill piece is made very, very well. It feels like an expensive hand piece. It's lightweight. It's slim. My hands, I have big hands. I consider myself to have bigger hands. My ring finger is actually a size 9, so I do have big hands. So here is what I wanted to show you. The reason why I did this hand drill review for the iGel Beauty Model XS. Here is the bottom of it. It says, warranty void if power adapter is used. The input is 100 to 240 volts, 50 Hzs/60 Hzs. Here's how you would actually just connect the drill here. So let's just connect the drill. This is the rest for the hand piece. Here's the warranty card. The warranty card is here. The iGel Beauty instructions is here. So these are the instructions. It lists the packing list, introduction, operation, features, specification, attention, and the safety rules here. Here's the case that it came with. Here. This is actually the charging adapter here. This holds your hand piece. So this is my right side. This is the left side. The bottom of my holding case is scratched up. I'm kind of disappointed and irked about that because it has all these scratches at the bottom of my case. I'm not sure if you can see those scratches here. So this is your holder. So I do like this. That's your nail drill holder. It has nail bit holders here where you can actually put your nail bits. And so I'll just turn this around, and it's an electronic. As you can see, this is how you increase your RPMs. So actually now it's vibrating. I'm not sure if you can see this. It's vibrating a whole lot. This is what I don't like. And it's vibrating. This feels very uncomfortable. This vibration is very uncomfortable in my hand. And this is at 35. So as you decrease the speed, the vibration goes downward. So it's less vibration, of course. And it's loud. That humming sound. So as my hands are held here. It's very annoying to hold this all day long, vibrating. See that? Can you hear that? So that's in forward. Let's change it to reverse. Turn it off. That's at reverse. It's a loud humming sound. That's annoying. The vibration is very, very annoying. I don't see how I can work with this all day long, vibrating in my hand like this. The vibration is just annoying. Imagine having a cell phone in your hand vibrating all day long. That's what it feels like, having a cell phone in your hand. So I would say the vibration is similar to having a cell phone in your hand that's vibrating all day long, and it's so annoying. This is very uncomfortable. The vibration is very uncomfortable. The vibration is very uncomfortable. So this is your unlock. Unlock. Put the drill back in and lock. This is the hand piece here. Cord. The metal appears to be made well. So my default is, what's annoying to me, and I feel like it's a waste of money buying this drill, because having this handpiece in my hand vibrating the way it does is annoying. It's annoying and it's intolerable. Yep, so that's my review. I haven't worked with it yet. So this is the vibration. Can you see my hand? I'm not sure if you can. That's the vibration. It's so annoying. And the sale is actually a final sale, so there are no returns, which is unfortunate because you got a piece that you're not even comfortable with using, and I feel like it's a waste of money because of the vibration itself. So this is at, so I'll go in increments. This is at 10. This is at 20. This is at 30. And this is at 35. Yep, so that's my review. The vibration alone is a no-no. No, 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 no. The vibration of the handpiece in my hand is very annoying, and I don't see me tolerating the vibration in my hand all day long working with the handpiece. It's very intolerable. It actually vibrates your hands. As I said, I would compare this to having a vibration, a cell phone in your hand that's vibrating for 6 hours, 4 hours consistently. So this is my review on the handpiece of iGel Beauty Model XS. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Bye. Thank you for tuning in to Carnival Nails. Bye bye.